Night photography is one of the hardest things to do with an iPhone and can lead to grainy photos. But with these 7 tips, we're going to be showing you how you can take amazing photos at night. So tip 1 consists of using night mode. So when it's dark outside, tap on this moon icon. The higher you put the scroll wheel, the brighter the image will be, but you also have to remember to be super still when taking your photos because it takes a little bit longer to take it than a traditional photo. Here you can see what the difference looks like with it on and off. Tip 2 is to use a tripod that has a phone mount, and this will allow you to keep your phone still for a sharper image, and it's also necessary for this next tip, shooting long exposures at night. So you're going to need your tripod and you're going to have to set it up with a subject that isn't moving in the background, but you also want to make sure to have a subject which is moving. You then want to turn on live photo mode and then take a photo as cars move past. Select the image and turn on long exposure and check out these amazing results. Tip 4 is really important, and that's to pick a light source to focus on in your image. If you take a photo with no strong light sources, then your image is not as impactful. Tip 5 is to paint with light. First, you want to set up your phone on a tripod facing a subject you want to paint around. Then you can use a third-party app. The one that we're using is the Moment app, and then set it to light trails, and then use a low shutter speed and a low ISO. We're going to set our timer to 8 seconds. Whilst the photo is capturing, you want to make sure to run through your frame with a light, and you'll see that it creates an amazing effect which looks like this. And our number 1 tip with this is to experiment as much as possible, because you'll be surprised with all the amazing results that you'll get. Tip 6 is another technique awesome at night. Wait for a moving object like a car or a cyclist, and then you want to pan your phone at the same speed as them. Whilst you're panning, you want to go ahead and take the photo, keeping them in the center of the frame, and this will give an impactful image filled with movement. Finally, we have tip 7, and that's to use a free editing app like Lightroom Mobile to edit your photos. This can make a massive difference when it comes to your final image, and if you want to know some more awesome editing apps to use, then check out our other video right here, where we break down the top 10 best free editing apps for your phone.